Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Aaron, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to purge your email inbox. I'm making this video for a few specific people in my life. Recently, I was talking to some people that I know, and actually I was also on a Zoom call with someone I knew, and they were sharing their screen, and I think their email opened up, and I saw they had like 4,000 unread emails, and it just like blew my mind that people still have like email inboxes like that. I made a video, if you're interested, about how I process my emails using the getting things done method, and so I'll link that up here. But if you have an overwhelmingly large email and you want to just get to that point where you can start processing it and have inbox zero, this is going to be the video for that. So this is going to be my strategies on purging your email inbox. And so I've listed actually 5 here. And so I'll start with the first strategy, which is to set a time limit. Throw an egg timer on, throw your phone on, 30 minutes, an hour, dedicate a portion of time just to purge this email. It might not happen within the first time you do it and sit down. It's a pretty daunting task, especially if you have thousands of emails, but set a time aside just to get it done, and do a little bit every day if you have to. As soon as you start a timer, that usually gets me pretty motivated to at least start. The second thing is going to be unsubscribing. When you're looking at your email inbox, you can see here on my desktop, this is one of my examples. This is a really old email of mine. You'll notice 7,658 unread emails. I still get emails quite a bit to this inbox, but I don't look at this email ever anymore. It's not my main one moving forward since I think 2016 maybe, so I haven't used it in a long time. And so I'll use this as an example of like how to purge. So the best thing I always like to do is just go unsubscribe. Type that in to the search bar and you'll see all the emails that have unsubscribe in their email. And so you can go one by one. This one's like an old gym membership. Yeah, so unsubscribe from emails. Click, boom. Another thing too, so the next strategy other than unsubscribing, because you want to do that kind of as you go, is actually search and destroy. Okay, so that was an example of how to unsubscribe. Another way is, so if I don't want any of these emails Movati, I'm gonna search it in there. I'm gonna see all the emails with all the offers, all the email updates. This is an old gym that I didn't even have a membership with them. I just went to the gym once. I put my email down and they just blast that email like crazy. So I don't care to have any of these emails personally. I'm usually of the opinion of you should archive all your emails so that you don't delete them in case you need to look at them again, but you definitely want them out of the inbox. But in this case, because I'm purging my emails, I'm gonna delete these guys. I don't need them. I don't care. So I'm just gonna highlight all of them and I'm just gonna delete. Yep, cool. Just to double check, search it again. Oh, we got more. Delete all. Search and destroy. Let's search again. Wow, this this gym really wants me to start working out there again, eh? So you just want to keep doing this. Search this again. Okay, perfect. And that was my next strategy actually, was just to bulk delete. And so if you go to your email inbox and you can look at certain emails, Uber receipts. Let's just bulk search for Uber receipts. Okay. I like to have receipts, so I'm not going to delete them. I'm just going to open them and then I'm going to archive them. Because I want to keep them around just in case I need to look up like a receipt, but I want to lower my inbox total here. And the reason why I'm archiving is to get them out of the inbox. I don't even want to look at them. I'm realizing this is kind of maybe a boring video, so I'll skip through some of this stuff, but I'm just trying to get these numbers down. If you don't want to delete, there's always archive. Another strategy that I'd recommend too is actually creating folders. So let me actually go ahead and create some folders. If you use the getting things done method, I've already outlined that in that video from before, but some of the folders I like to have is action, waiting for, reference. Action being, emails I need to, look at and do. Waiting for emails that I send out and I'm waiting for a response. And then reference is something that I want to have like a short tab. And I could have different reference folders if you want to. If you want like a reference folder on like bills or invoices or a certain project that you're doing and you want to kind of categorize every email that you get communicated regarding that project, that's a really good tool too. In this case, because I'm just purging, I'm just going to have an action email to start. If I send some emails, then I'll have a waiting for, good reads, unsubscribe, delete, let's search and destroy. Oh yeah. Okay, we're starting to cut down. We're almost at 7,000. You can see how this is it's a pretty big undertaking. So definitely set some time aside. If you're worried about deleting something by accident, it's okay. There's usually a recently deleted folder. Don't feel bad. You can always go back. This is not a time to respond to emails. Just take the email that you want to respond to if it's important and just throw it into the action folder. Do it later. We are here on a mission to get down to 0. I want an inbox 0. Some people that I know, their emails look like this, and I'm sorry, that's unacceptable to me. The amount of clutter that you have inside your brain because of these unread emails that are sitting in your inbox, even read emails that are sitting in your inbox, it's a nightmare. I don't know about you guys, but that number going down every time is so satisfying to me. Another thing you can set up too that I used to do as well is like, if you have a certain email that you want automatically unread and archived, you can do that too. I know you can do it on Google. I'm not sure if you can do it here, but I'm pretty sure you can. Look at us. We're at 5,400 now. Oh my God. Okay, we're getting better. Another thing is just to, honestly be ruthless. Like if you haven't read these emails, just delete them. As you can see, I'm not even close to getting this to inbox 0. This is 4,614 emails remaining. So I gotta start with step 1 again, which is dedicate some time to do this another day. But this is a big dent, all right? I think I went from 7,000 to 4,000. And so highly recommend doing this, which is just going through, following the tips, setting aside time, unsubscribing. You can type unsubscribe into the search bar, find all the different ones that you're subscribed to, unsubscribe first, then search for them, destroy those emails, delete them, archive them if you have to as well. And another thing too is just create categories. If you want action, waiting for, reference, if you want some emails you need to keep around, no problem, just put them there. You want to get that inbox to 0. So if you're starting with GTD, if you're getting into that system, purging your email is a great place to start because it is so beneficial to your mental health. Once you get it to 0, it'll be much easier to maintain. So make this a goal for this week is every day, 30 minutes, an hour, I'm going to set aside to just sit in there, deleting, archiving as many emails as possible so that I can save your email inbox, right? This is an old email of mine that I hadn't used since maybe 2016, and you can see how crazy it got in those years. And so I'm glad I don't use this email anymore, but it is very therapeutic for me now to just go through and burn and delete all these emails because, of course, if I wanted to use this email, I can save it now. I hope you got some value from this video. If there's any other tips and tricks that I missed, if you've purged emails yourself, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and hope you have a great day.